Yeah, we have several, but maybe how about this? There's one question about this one. Michael has another question, and then we go to the other questions that we have.
Sure.
Let me ask this one very quickly, and then maybe Michael can go with his question. So this student is asking for a bit of coaching, and she preferred that we don't share her name. And she says, my job is in corporate marketing to ensure markets follow guidelines. I want markets to feel that I am on their side, but it's hard. Any tips on how to do that?
Sure. It's everyday life for all of us, right? Because depending on where you sit, you'll need to engage the person on the other side. So our CEO, David Taylor, has a very nice way of framing it. He says his job is to service Suran and me, and our job is to service the markets. That flips the mindset, right? That's important. Second thing is, let's take one capability that I'm rolling out to the region at this point in time. Disproportionate amount of the time investment that I've done for that is to first walk the lead team through what are the benefits of it. So first you have the buy-in of each of the category and the country leader in the market. But even before we did that, we piloted it in a couple of markets and tell them, how can this work for you? What are the biggest issues you're facing? And then we worked with them intensely to make sure those issues were getting addressed. And then we went to the lead team with those examples. We excited the lead team, and they came back and said, we want it in our market. And that's how you want it. You want to showcase a couple of examples where it's successful, and then you want to get the buy-in of the lead team that they wanted. So when you go to the market, they are personally advocating for it along with you, as opposed to trying to debate the utility of it. And if you're going to debate the utility of it, then don't try to force it. Then let it come to the market when they think it best serves that need, right? And that is something that you can pace out, because every market will probably take it at a pace at which they can best digest, right? So in this capability, we are not going to go all out in 30 days to every market. Japan said they have some unique considerations. So we said we're going to come back to you 6 months later, work with you, and we'll do it at a pace at which you're ready to absorb it, right? Philippines wanted to go first, so we went first with them, and then we went to the Middle East market, so on and so forth. So that's what I would encourage. Learn with the markets, showcase the results through the markets, have them speak on your behalf to the lead team. Then once there is buy-in, you will see that it gets rolled out, and then work again with every market to address that unique needs. That way, while it will take time, you will find that the results are better and it's more sustainable.